guys, I have some questions about DigiPen. Do you think you can help me out?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. Let's start by introducing yourselves.
Oh yeah, so I'm Elise from User Experience in Game Design, DigiPen.
Same here, but my name is Xavier, not Elise.
Yeah.
Okay, user experience and game design. What is something about this program that surprises people?
I think something that surprises people is how hectic it can become in a very short amount of time. So like you start off like easy, and then like 2 weeks in, suddenly you have like 4 assignments due or something like that, yeah.
I would actually say is that there's a lot of different modules, right? From game design to user experience, you have level design, psychology, and even music, Yeah, it's one of my favorite classes actually, music.
Yeah, music. It's very interesting and some people don't expect it, but yeah.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay, and what are some useful skills you'll learn during this program?
Useful skills, I would say resourcefulness as well as critical thinking. Yeah, those are the things that you need to pick up, right? So everybody wants to make the next AAA game and everything, but let's be real, you have like 4 to 8 weeks to create it. So no, you're not creating any AAA games over here.
Yeah, I would actually say is knowing how to talk, right? Because if you don't know how to talk, your interesting idea will sound boring.
Yeah, I need to express your ideas then.
Yeah, express the correct idea.
And what kind of projects will you work on in UXGD?
So there's the user experience and UI side. So you have like the web stuff, the app designs and stuff like that. Then you have the game development side where you learn how to develop games, code a little bit. But all in all, it's all about the experience, so they kind of mesh together.
And what's something about user research and testing that's interesting to you?
Oh, actually, it's really interesting to see how people react to your game or your product, for example, right? And it's like being able to craft the experiences to each person, being able to create a better experience for them.
Especially when everyone has different opinions.
Yep.
And on that note, what's the most ridiculous user feedback you've ever received?
Okay, I have one, I think. So it was in year 1 where someone feedback, I don't know how to move. But the thing was that the controls are on the screen already and like, I don't know how to help, but yeah.
Are there any UXGD stereotypes you want to debunk?
Stereotypes? Do you have any stereotypes?
Well, I do know that it will be that designers don't do work, but we actually do work, especially in the beginning.
There's a stereotype like that.
It's good you don't know. Yeah, so it's actually really important because it lays the groundwork for the project in the future. Because it's where you can develop like the experience and what the user will have. Yeah.
Okay, and are there any other highlights of this program you want to share?
I think it will be the OIP, the Overseas Immersion Program.
Yeah, still.
So that's a good one. Yeah, it's because like it really gets your creative juices flowing. And the vibe there is just really different, really good.
Yeah, we went to Redmond. Yeah, Redmond, which is basically like kind of Seattle. Yeah, so over there you have some fun. It's pretty good, very nice, and then you learn down there as well because the lecturers, like she said, is really different.
Yeah.
Okay, and last question. What's your best tip for me if I want to join UXGD?
The best tip is don't chase grades, essentially. Chase your potential, just do whatever you want to do creatively. Grades is just how you adhere to guidelines. Just be who you are.
I would actually say it's time management because you have so many projects that you need to do. You really have to manage your time well to do those projects.
And scope management. But I don't know, learn I think.
They'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks so much guys. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you. Bye-bye.